Your online reputation is as crucial as your hands-on skill in remedial massage. Understand this. A negative reputation online can tarnish years of expertise and really hurt your business. Let me offer a thought-provoking insight. Building your online reputation doesn't just mitigate that risk. It formulates a robust strategy to attract new clients. The not-so-talked-about consequence of ignoring this is a gradual decline in your visibility and relevance online. If you haven't already implemented a strategy to protect your online reputation, make it a priority to start right now.
To extend your knowledge on online reputation branding, we invite you to connect with us. Our aim is to help guide you away from the pitfalls and to build a reputation that resonates positively with your future clients. It's never too late to start. The first step is to get your current online reputation score. You'll find a link in the description. Thanks for listening, and go get your online reputation score now. It takes less than 2 minutes.